Modding Fallout 4 or Skyrim Special Edition and need to access a BA2 file? This is the archive format used by Bethesda's recent games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Bethesda archive files. Here's a technique I rely on for truly stubborn BA2. Files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. BA2. Files are archive files used by Bethesda Game Studios in Fallout 4 Skyrim Special Edition and Fallout 76. They contain game assets including textures, meshes, sounds, scripts, and other resources packed efficiently for fast loading. The format replaced the older BSA archive format with improved compression and performance. BA2. Files use Bethesda's archive format with two main variants, GNRL for general files, and DX10 for compressed textures. The container stores file entries with hash names, compressed data, and metadata, including file paths and sizes optimized for the engine's resource loading and memory management systems. Guaranteed access to BA2. Files is typically achieved using Bethesda Archive Extractor from community developers. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows offers restricted visibility, so opening these files properly requires decompression utilities. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your BA2 file and choose Open With. Test with Bethesda Archive Extractor first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If the BA2 file is still giving you trouble, relax. Errors with the BA2 format usually come down to a small critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, extracting with BAE. Use Bethesda Archive. Extractor BAE, a free tool for extracting BA2 archive contents. Open BAE, select the BA2 file, and choose extraction destination. The tool unpacks all files preserving directory structure and decompressing contents. This provides full access to game assets for modding analysis or backup purposes. Next, using archive tools. Try BAE by John WD7 or BSA browser, which support both BSA and BA2 formats with browsing and extraction features. These tools display archive contents in a tree view, enabling selective extraction of specific files. Useful for examining game assets without extracting entire archives. Finally, creating BA2 archives. Use Archive2, the official Bethesda tool from the Creation Kit, for creating new BA2 archives for mod distribution. Configure compression settings, file inclusion, and texture compression parameters. Properly formatted BA2 files improve mod loading performance compared to loose files in the game data directory. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.